All right, guys. So good morning. Already did a nice big climb, which I couldn't figure out because the day I had planned in the section I was looking at on my gut hook pretty much showed flat terrain. So we stopped at the Horn Pond shelter and realized that I had completely skipped a section. And the section I had skipped was only the Bigelows mountain range. So now, is this the Horn Mountain, the first one?
Yep.
Yeah, so we're going up Horn now. It's gonna be a pretty pronounced climb, but it's not very long. Half a mile, 600 feet. So that's Mongrel behind me. Look at his sorry ass in the morning. It's 9 o'clock, he thinks he should still be sleeping. But he's not, he's out here with our dumbasses. And you know, if Mongrel's in the neighborhood, Turmoil's in the neighborhood, she's in front of me. We'll show her later. So, this is it. Bigelows day. And then we were really done with the big mountains. Not just for this section, but for the whole fucking hike. Hello. So, alrighty, la-di-da-di everybody, let's go. All right, there we go. Wasn't a bad uphill at all.
Oh, it's not good either.
Says the guys that are slack packing to the deepest.
Right. Alrighty. So that's one down. I think there's 3 more to go.
Last one barely counts up, right?
Yeah. You guys will recognize this view from Katahdin. It's a very similar view. Beautiful.
Was it cloudy when you went up?
Oh yeah, just like it should have been. That's what I was saying the whole time. Is that my whole fucking hike was cloudy, rainy, so it would have been wrong for Katahdin to be clear. But we were lucky because we had really clear up until we got up to the top. And then we just had this fog that came in. And frankly, the fog was passing through, so we still got some good pictures from up there. But yeah, the summit pictures are all whited out.
We're doing it a little different.
Can you see that hiker at the top of that foggy precipice? It's a pretty cool picture, isn't it? That's Turmoil. As you know, we're hiking with Turmoil, Mongrel, and Blink today. Not sure if I've introduced you to Blink or not. We will. Anyway, he did a PCT through hike 2 years ago, and is getting this one done. He is hiking with what's her name? I can't remember her name right now. Anyway, it'll come to me. She's not here right now. She slowed up for some reason. But he's looking to summit the 25th. So he's sort of got a schedule. But he's doing well. Sassafras is also out here. I guess you could say we're hiking with her in the sense that she started in a different place, but we hooked up at the last shelter, and then she is just in front a little bit, maybe left the shelter half an hour before us or something. So there's Turmoil. The one I told you was in the mist. Oh, and there's a whole pack up here of hikers. I don't know, Sobos or something?
Oh, I think there might be a group, like a summer camp maybe.
All right, get back with you. Okay, guys, good milestone, Myra and Avery Peak. So this is the last peak in the chain of the Bigelow, the Big Bigelow, and then we have down and up over a smaller one called Little Bigelow. So we are making good progress. Day's sort of misty, but I think it's a good day to hike, huh?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
great hiking weather.
This is great weather to hike in. It may be miserable for some, but I'm telling you, this is good hiking weather. See what this sign says. Oh, just the alpine stuff. And I don't know what that foundation was previously, but it looks like it was probably the base for a fire tower or something. So yeah, we'll head this way. This is northbound, and it will go down and then up a, not a sharp peak, sort of a rounded top, and that's Little Bigelow. Yeah, check this out. This is sort of cool. This, yeah, this protected area for stay out of the rain. So there's turmoil and sassafras. Wilson, are you jealous? Look, I'm hiking with sassafras, you little bastard.
Hello.
I'm gonna send you a text and let you and bust your balls.
I need my resume.
All right, carrying on. Okay, we got out of the Bigelows with just a sprinkling of rain, but beyond the Bigelows is still quite rocky. So we're still getting to have some fun. This is what it looks like. There's the view. So we're going to go down to East Flagstaff Road. It's a little less than 4 miles from here, to give you an idea of where exactly we are. Since these aren't mountains, I don't think they have names, or I certainly can't see them, but it's north of the Bigelows, just before Flagstaff Road. Like I said, about 4 miles. These are the ridges that you run along. Sort of a sawtooth up in this area. Oh, when I told you about person Blink was hiking with it was Rocket. Just to come full circle. Take it as it goes. A little slippery. All right. I'll let you go.